Easy now guys, Dreamcatcher here. Been getting a fair few comments regarding Coil WHINE on the Hall of Fame 970 edition card. The only way I can describe it is actually by making a video so you can actually hear for yourself. The loudest part of my computer is actually the CPU fan under game load or heavy load. Is the loudest fan on my computer. As the actual cards on idle at the moment, they're not under stress, just on desktop, just sitting on desktop. There is no Coil WHINE. That's two of these cards running together. That Coil WHINE you're hearing at the moment, the loudest noise is actually the CPU fan. There are a lot of fans in here. Two on the bottom there, one on the side, main fan at the top, fan on the CPU. Three on each card, and one on the new Superflower power supply. What I'm going to do now is I'll just leave it for 1 minute on idle, and then for those of you who don't know, on the side of the cards you've got two buttons, and all they basically do, from what I can see, is just boost the power that's delivered from the PSU to the cards slightly, and also then the cards are then the fan speeds are then set to like 100%. Which you could actually do on like MSI Afterburner if you wanted to set up different speeds of your fans. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this running now. Okay, so if I push the boost buttons on, that's the first card. I mean, I wouldn't even call that Coil WHINE, to be honest with you. That's just the standard noise that three fans on a card are going to make. It's to be expected, you know, and for me, I mean, that's pretty quiet. Okay, so that's one card, the fan speed or boost button pressed. I'll turn it off. That's off. So that's near enough 100% silent compared to the boost. Like I say, it's not, I wouldn't class that as Coil WHINE, to be honest with you. That's just the natural sound three fans on a card are going to make. Okay, so that was just one single card boosted, and now I'm going to do both of them together. Okay, there you go guys, hope it helps. Dreamcatcher out.